Yes, DG is here to witness and immediately is going to induct the new members, the prospective members. Board of Directors.
President.
Where is the President? Mr. President.
The board members are here.
Okay. The Vice President, Rotarian Tayo Adenekan. This guy is the call. Rotarian Ikeja, that's the Club Secretary.
Rotarian Olufemi
Adeyeye, that's the Treasurer. Is she here? Treasurer. Rotarian Tayo Adenekan. Please line up here. Let's step out here, please.
Rotarian Tayo
Rotary Foundation. Rotarian Olufemi Adenekan, that's the membership. Conference and Convention Chair. Rotarian Ogunwusi, Club Admin. Please. Let's make this quickly, please. Rotarian Matthias for service project.
Rotarian Tayo Adenekan.
Somebody is controlling you.
Public image.
Okay. Rotarian Elaine. Okay. Rotarian Ogunwusi. Oh, thank you. Rotarian Mercy Adekole, that's the woman in Rotary. Is she here? Rotarian Mercy. Rotarian Femi Femi is here. I say Femi. Rotarian Nathaniel Oduduwa. Oh, okay. Thank you. Rotarian Abiola Olanikan, we here. Please come up stage, ma'am. Okay, so let's do this quickly. My President, you are going to be inducting the Board of Directors immediately, after which the DG will take over for the induction of new members. New members, our prospective members rather, should come up here and be ready for induction. Thank you. Where is the club secretary? Okay. My President, please go ahead. Let's save the time.
I told you now.
At this time, I want you to concentrate, pay attention to what we're doing in Rotary, the way we, as part of the doctrine, how we induct our board members. So my DG, our DG1, my IPDG, our AGs, fellow Rotarian, thanks for coming. So by this time, I hereby announce and invest Rotarian candidate Ojaja as the Vice President of Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Earth.
Congratulations to the Vice President. Don't scatter the gilio. Okay, it's going gradually. Congratulations. A presidential handshake. Where is the photographer? Sideways. Aha, that's fine. Congratulations, the Vice President.
At this time, I, Rotarian Gbenga Afere, the President of Rotary Club of Lagos Governor, hereby indulge you as part of the board member.
As the club secretary. Congratulations. Presidential handshake. Congratulations.
My World Bank Treasurer, I hereby induct you as the Treasurer of Rotary Club of Lagos Governor on this day.
Congratulations. That's the club treasurer. President is going to scatter so many gele here today. But you'll be fine. Chapter treasurer. That's the club admin.
This time, I hereby induct you, Rotarian Ogunwusi, as the club administrator.
Congratulations. Presidential handshake. Let's see.
So I hereby induct you, my powerful SA Rotarian, Shogbamu Timitayo. I, Rotarian Gbenga Afere, hereby induct you as one of the board directors.
Congratulations, Rotarian Femi. Well deserved as a family of Rotary.
Oh, this is our membership share.
3 in 1. Membership, conference, convention chair, all the same.
I'm so honored to induct you today as a member. I, Rotarian Olufemi Adenekan, the President of Rotary Club of Lagos Governor, hereby indulge you as one of the board directors in Rotary Club of Lagos Governor. Thank you. My public image, I hereby indulge you today as one of the board of directors of Rotary Club of Lagos Governor.
Congratulations.
I, Rotarian Olufemi Adenekan, the President of Rotary Club of Lagos Governor, hereby indulge you as one of the board of directors, History and Archive today.
History and Archive. Congratulations, Rotarian Chokpa.
My editorial share as the President of Lagos Golden Art Ikeja, I hereby indulge you, the most grammarian of our time in our club. Thank you. Congratulations.
Okay. Our First Lady, please join us for group pictures. Induction of new members before you leave, man. First Lady, please join us. President.
I think we have the President's collarette. Isn't this beautiful?
Very
well
beautiful.
decorated, well adorned, I'm tempted to decorate the spouse of the president with this because the president is having one
already. But
because we can't separate the fact that he's still the president after all. Oh, that's lovely.
Wow.
Wow. We'll have to, since it came from our hearts, Gbenga, you just have to pay double dues. Straight. So there's no point to get.
That is a yes.
But this one, because all other members have one of it, and this is for the president, I will just invest the president so that it does not look too different.
Okay. It is unprecedented. Beautifully adorned. Can we have this beautiful picture? This is going global. And after this, we shall have the induction of new members, including the First Lady. She has shown interest to become a Rotarian. She was the wife of a Rotarian. Now she's going to be inducted as a Rotarian. Put your hands together for the First Lady. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations to all board of directors and of course to the president and his spouse. Thank you so much. Thank you and congratulations. My DG should wait behind. The president, hold on.
Members, before you go, all members, before you go, I want to seek your consent. If you all agree, do we induct the wife of the president now?
Say it again.
Do you have objection to it? Do we invite the wife of the president now?
Say your yes louder.
Yes or no?
Yes or yes?
Because it's a special waiver. She has to go through some process. But because it has to be done properly and this is a special moment, she has requested for it. Are you giving your consent to our membership? Then we are good to go. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The yes have it. All right.
So, Gbenga, you have to pay double dues.
Double dues. They can afford it. May we invite the prospective members, soon to be Rotarian. Kwechu Akiola, please kindly step on stage.
That is the daughter of our elected group, ever supporting past assistant governor Tony Tayo coming up stage.
That is beautiful.
Can you please appreciate her?
Put your hands together.
This is Rotary for you. The mother is a Rotarian. She started out as a Rotarian.
We also want.
And today she's now joining the Rotary family as a Rotarian once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for choosing to be part of the 1.4 million. Victoria Adigun.
Madam, where is it?
Victoria Adigun. Adegboyega Adeyemi. Adegboyega Adeyemi. Okay, right here. Thank you. Clara Fatukasi. Clara Fatukasi. Please put your hands together for her. She steps on stage. Comfort Akinrotoye. Online, okay, all right. And of course, the First Lady that has decided here today and approved by the board to be inducted as a Rotarian on Tuesday, 12th of October 2024. Okay, so the other two will be joining online. They are diaspora members, and of course.
May I at this point invite the immediate past district governor, the governor-elect, to please join me upstage with my spouse.
Whatever line are they doing?
May I
the First Lady of the district.
Tony Tayo to please join us upstage.
IPDG Rita Ifeyinwa, please join us. Past Assistant Governor Tayo, please join us. The Assistant Governor to the club, Rotarian Olufemi.
Can you please join us?
Please join us, sir. Thank you.
It's a wonderful thing when you serve Rotary meritoriously and you bequeath what you do to your citizens or to your office. I'm so happy, I'm honored, I'm appreciative of PhD Tony Tayo, who has ensured that our daughter becomes a Rotarian today. Can we give her a round of applause?
Wow.
Now, the president, how do you want to do it? Well, where is the membership kit?
Is it?
Yes, I want to first of all query this membership kit. Where did you get this membership kit from? President, where did you get this from? From where?
It's from the club.
Well, this is not the district approved membership kit. And we'll go ahead with the induction, but we'll have to still do the needful. My district leaders, fellow Rotarians, guests, and friends, can we have my IPDG? Please, you can please approach. Okay, PhD Tony Tayo, we'll give you the honor of investing and adorning your daughter with a lapepe, while the IPDG will do that of the wife of the president, and my spouse will do that of the madam next to her, and the DG, please you invest the only man among them, and we have 2 online. So AG will do the 2 online virtually. Yes, the AG, because you are close to them, we allow you to do it virtually, so you can continue with them. So can we give them the bill? Apart from the spouse of the president, who was already has been involved in the work of Rotary for quite a while, I've spoken with her on phone, and she has shown interest in the administration of her husband, supporting her husband. I know she also knows so much about Rotary. I know we have all been told the do's and don'ts of Rotary. We have all been invited to the board to know what Rotary wants, and we are people of action, we are people of integrity. We pride ourselves with core values of Rotary, of fellowship, diversity, friendship, leadership, and service. Please, and the last one is integrity. Please, we pride this our integrity so much. As you are joining us today, whenever you wear this thing, the whole world looks at you as somebody who is reliable, dependable, and can be looked up to give help where it is needed. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Heart, I hereby welcome you as our Rotary leaders adorn you with the bill, and the AG Demola Olutusi washes and adorn those online. We have 2 members online, and he adorns them with the Rotary bill. Congratulations. So can we have a group picture? The membership chair. The membership
chair. Please join.
I join. So can we have a group picture with the president?
President, you have to be at the center with the DG.
Yeah. Okay, let me just.
Can we spread out small? Can we spread out small? So that everybody will be conspicuously positioned. Aha. Congratulations to the newly inducted Rotarians. We welcome you on board as you join the work. Over 1.4 million Rotarians in the world. You also want to be inducted. Lobaton. About him, but don't run away. This is a grand one. I will say, please let's put our hands together for the newly inducted Rotarians as they join over 1.4 million people all over the world in 200 geographical locations.
My IPDG, thank you so much.
Congratulations. Congratulations. And this is a big deal. We say congratulations to the Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Arts for achieving this major feat. Thank you. Thank you for being part of this. Okay, so we have a presentation. My DG, before you leave, we have a presentation for one of our special guests of honor, Barrister Tayo Adenekan. Barrister Tayo Adenekan, please. That is the business mogul.
We invite you offstage, Barrister Tayo Adenekan, sir.
Good thinking, good products. If you know, you know. Madam, can you please join in on stage? Yes. I know if you don't want him to come here today, he cannot come here.
We'll start party very soon. Right after now, we'll cut the cake and the dance will continue.
The dance floor will be declared open.
We can see the...
Okay. There's an auction sale that will be done quickly before we open the dancing floor. Thank you so much, Mommy. Thank you for being part of this.
Okay, I thought he has a special name. Some people call him Big Gorilla. Some people call him Chimpanzee. But I thought they gave him a name differently. So you will dance for us soon, don't worry.
He's happy to dance. I deal with you.
So while he waits, we want to present this to Barrister Tayo Adenekan for your invaluable contribution to humanity. I am told that you are a Toyota leader. You have been one of the leaders of Toyota in Nigeria. And Toyota has contributed so much to the Nigerian economy. I will sincerely thank you for adding value to humanity and to the Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Arts. We thank you and we appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. This is well deserved. Thank you for all what you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, you want to say something?
My DG is talking to you, sir.
You have a word for us with Madam.
Something to the microphone.
Well, I just like to say thank you and congratulations to the Rotary Club of
Lagos Golden Arts.
Lagos Golden Arts, Ikeja. God bless you more. And we are proud as a company to associate with Rotary Club and we will continue to do so. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. MC.
He doesn't want to make a public announcement. We after cutting of the cake, we have auction sales. They will declare the dance floor open. But we are going to get money, so we need to make money. Okay, so let's cut the cake now. About now, do we bring the cake up here, or you want to cut it down there? Yeah, the chairman. Where is the chairman planning committee? Your attention is needed. Rotarian Olufemi, we need your attention here. May we have the DG My president, please kindly step down to have the cutting of the cake. My district governor, can we move this cake a bit forward? Members of the club, please, let's call this charter cake. A celebration of our first year. Rotarian Olufemi, your attention is needed, please. Where's Mr. President? Okay. DJ Lolity. A president here with your spouse. First lady, man.
First lady.
First lady, we need you here, man. Members of the club, my district governor, our first lady to the district, first lady to the Rotary Club of Lagos Holding Arts, we need you now. Honorable Kazeem, please join us in this very historic moment. The chairman planning committee, Rotarian Olufemi, please. Cutting of the cake now. All members of Rotary Club of Lagos Holding Arts, your attention is needed here. We're about to cut the cake.
Including the new inductees.
Yes, all members of Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Arts. Join the district governor and the president in cutting of the cake. Let's do this quickly. We have auction sales and declare the dance floor open. Quickly, where's Mr. President? Gbenga
Afere. Gbenga Afere.
Have you noticed that I stopped calling it? Where is the president? Hey. All members, please just spread out enough. The camera will pick you. Spread out enough. Spread out. Where is Mr. President?
Let's create a space for the Mr. President.
Mr. President will be here beside the DG.
He's the one holding the line.
Mr. President will be here. Mr. President, please. People want to dance. Let's do this quickly. Let's see, shift for Mr. President and his wife. Shift very well. President, please come here too. Somebody wants to usurp the power of the president. Oh, the vice president, can you imagine? All right. This is let's say go give you all right. So we are going to say let's spread out. Hold on, okay, DG is still around. My DG, let's spread out enough. The camera is going to pick everyone. Yes. For others, let's spread out. You can actually spread your hands. So we'll do our AG. You can join the club for this cutting of the cake. We'll do Lagos Golden Arts and we cut the cake. Are we ready? Is everyone here now? Where are the new members? The newly inducted members? They are here. Okay. Because you are fully part of the club now. Club advisor, thank you for joining. The assistant governor. So we'll do Lagos Golden Arts. Wow. Congratulations, DJ. Give it line up. Pictures down, pictures ongoing. Let's concentrate on the pictures. Congratulations to the president and all members of the Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Arts Ikeja on this marvelous achievement. Congratulations. Thank you so much, and congratulations to everyone. Yes, my president, we want to do auction sales before we open the dance floor. Auction sales. We need to launch it first as the president. How much? Auction sales. 100,000 naira from the president. The auction sales will go to the last bidder.
And what we are doing is incremental auction sale.
Incremental. Whatever you bid, you pay. It may be for you and it may go to somebody else. The last bidder, we have just 5 minutes for this auction sales. And this is from America.
Any amount you had, you're going to pay for it. So it's not that you're going to pay for the whole money.
SA and club treasurer, I need your assistance right there. Come and note money. Treasurer and the SA, we need your assistance right now. Except you don't want the money, we can go to dance.
As of this time, we have 100,000 naira.
100,000 naira. This package is from America, fully packaged, quite very, heavy for anyone. The package is worth the value.
I don't know what exactly is it, but I think it is very, very monumental, ornamental, and very, very instrumental. I don't know. I don't want to tell you more.
Monumental and instrumental. Not film and Bamina. 100,000 naira abroad. 100,000. The president has bidded for 100,000 naira.
Just add any amount so that you just take it home. That's all.
The last bidder would have this.
Once you mention any money, we'll just give it to you, and that's all.
Auction sales for the last bidder. If you know you are, but Femi, I know you want to eat auction material. President say 100,000. Do you want him to just go with it like that? 120,000. Rotarian Femi Shobowale.
120,000.
120,000. Going for 120,000 naira.
Someone wants to take it.
Going for 120,000 naira. We are going to do this for just 5 minutes. The last bidder shall have the material.
Yeah, that's it.
The package is monumental and what?
Instrumental and ornamental.
Wow. English. Going for 120,000 naira.
I studied English.
Going for 120,000.
120.
Who is calling me? Going for 120,000. Going for Rotarian Shobowale, Femi Shobowale. Please carry the package to him since
it's the only one bidding.
It's the only one bidding. Nobody is ready to take it. 120,000 naira. I need carrier. 120,000. Rotarian Femi Shobowale. That's the last bidder. Going for 120,000 naira. Going. Who is calling me?
Who is saying something?
Did somebody call me?
121.
121,000. SA. Now wow. Somebody must give you embargo.
122 again.
122,000. 123,000.
Wait.
124. SA.
He's just measuring.
Mojisola 125. Charter President 125,000. Somebody has bidded for you. Will you just carry it? SAA bidded for you 125,000.
SAA wahala.
Going for 125,000 naira. Going. Go and check Rotarian Femi again. I know he's eating. I want him to go with this package. It will be nice to travel back with this package.
Yes, sir.
The last bidder shall have this package. 125,000.
125,000.
Going to Rotarian Bigger.
126. Rotarian
Femi does not do like that. I don't know why he's mentioning 126,000.
It doesn't move in 1,000.
It's not even of giving him back. Do normal.
Somebody made the excuse because it's eating.
Please carry that food away from me.
No, let's eat.
He's distracted with that food. How much?
Rotarian Femi. 130,000.
130,000 with your Femi Shobowale.
It moves in tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands.
You understand? So when he says 1,000, it's not for me. I know. Going for 130,000 naira. Going for 130,000. Going. President, come closer. Come and ring the bell. I will give the package to you. The last bidder will have it. 130,000.
130,000.
Going. Why is this?
Why is everybody quiet? I think they don't really know what is said.
The package, Murphy, describe the package again.
As I last check, they bought this package at the cost of 500,000. And so if you are selling it, we should be going there. let us still get a cost price.
Murphy, you have the receipts of this package?
Yes, with me.
Is it resident with the president or with you?
I left it at home.
Okay, you'll be fine. 130,000 naira on board. Going for 130,000 naira. Wouldn't any club like to have this package?
Any club?
Ajagode, you want to let it stay in it should stay here. Oh yeah, Ajagode, how much? 130,000 on board.
The media team, you can display the club account so that
140,000 naira. Ajagode, Rotarian Esther George. 140,000.
Anything gold, they have a way.
140,000. Ajagode. Going for 140,000 naira.
140.
140,000 naira. Alagbere, you go green. Make Ajagode carry am go Aja all the way. You go green. 145,000 Alagbere. Going to Alagbere. 140,000. 145,000.
Alagbere.
Alagbere come of Alagbere. Lagos mainland. Are you in this? Are you in this gathering? 145,000. Going for 145,000 naira. Going to Alagbere. Going 150,000. 155,000 Lagos mainland. Any embargo?
Do you want any embargo?
Any embargo, you want to leave it open. 155,000.
You are a good person.
Going for 155,000 naira. Lagos mainland. 155,000 naira. Going for Lagos. And Lagos mainland is talking. When Rotary Club of Lagos is here, the grandfather's club.
Is it Lagos Island or just Lagos?
Lagos. They own Lagos. Awara they own. Rotary Club of Lagos. Brotherly. Lagos mainland is talking when you are here.
Brotherly.
Let me go to where the authority comes from on this table.
The constituted authority.
Constituted authority. My people. Sir, I know you are busy. Lagos mainland is making noise when Lagos, Rotary Club of Lagos is here. Is that not an to move money? What is strategic move? That is a strategic move. No. Please. Just use your mouth to talk while you are typing, sir. 155,000. Lagos mainland. 155,000. Going for 155,000. Where is the president? You need to read this well. We have 2 minutes more. The last speaker shall have this. Going for 155,000 naira. Going. Where is the president? Let me give the president the gavel and the bell. Going for chairman. Auction sales. Somebody want to take it away. Leave her alone first. Somebody want to take it away with 155,000. Is that what you want to give? How much are you adding to this? 155,000. Your club members are bidding. You also need to bid. Oh yeah, take me. I'll follow you. What's that with me? Adeyeye. Where are we going? 155,000. Ijebu, I'm from Ijebu, but I'm in Lagos right now. How much? 155,000 on board. 160,000. 160,000 naira. 160,000. Hello, 160,000. Going for 160,000 naira.
160.
Going to Ojaja with 160,000 naira. He's almost, but yeah, this food is distracting him. He has not been talking since the last.
Just even added around fish.
160,000. That's where we are. 165,000. Now you, I won't give this thing. You must carry this thing when you are going. I want to give you this thing. You must take it when you are going. 165,000. Going for 165,000 there. Where is my collector? Where is my collector? 165,000. Do you know the last person? You don't know. Oh, man. It will be nice, Alaja, to have that package. Very wonderful package. A monumental package. 165,000. The CEO herself. Where do we go from here? 165,000. Oh yeah. How much? How much are you having? Once you have anything, also you should give it. Please, I need somebody to help me bring that package. It's too heavy. I can't carry it. 165,000. Going for 165,000 naira. Going. See you. How much? 170,000. Alaja on board. Alaja CEO on board. 170,000. Going for 170. I don't know why the members of Lagos Holding are kept quiet. Somebody will now come from outside and carry your package. What's happening? What's happening here? You need to try it now. Going for 170,000. Going, President, go and sit down to ring the bell. Your club members want you to go to other people. Going for 170,000. Embargo, Ajike is here.
Yes.
Embargo on
How much?
on 20,000. Hey,
Powerful people.
power pass power.
Yes.
That is 185,000. Embargo means you cannot bid less than 20,000.
Yes. Power must take hand.
190,000. Power has changed hand. Embargo on 20,000. 190,000. Rotarian Benedict Ajike.
So,
Where is the president? We need to ring this bell and give it to the winner. He's already a winner.
he's a winner. He's so confident.
Somebody can challenge him by adding another 20,000. Going for 190,000. Going for 190. Ajabode, Lagos Mainland, Alapere, Onago Green.
Alapere. Alapere was trying to do something.
Akute is talking. All of them get quiet. Akute is talking.
When
Lagos Mainland,
Alapere.
Ajabode. What's going to happen here? Members of Lagos Holding Hands, this thing is going to Akute. Maybe we should just. Where is the president now? President, go and sit down with the bell. We want to ring the bell. 190,000 naira. Going for 190,000 naira. Embargo on 20,000 naira. Going. Going for 190,000 naira. Going, my president, you need to sit with the bell and the gavel. You need to ring it now.
Okay, Alaja is calling me. Alaja is calling you.
Alaja wants to hijack it to Abuja. Go and meet her. Check her.
She's not decline.
No, go and meet her. Go and meet her. Whenever she calls, you must listen.
Alaja is calling me.
Alaja wants to go and get her ATM card.
Failed transaction.
Transaction. Not successful. Going for 190,000 naira, embargo on 20,000. My president, are you going to allow Abuja to just go away with that thing? Would it not be nice to retain it? 190,000, embargo on 20,000. Embargo on 20,000. The minimum you can do is 20,000. 210,000. What's your name, sir? Abuja go green. Ski.
Akute, they don't change the name.
Afere Skida, 210,000.
Oh yeah.
200. No, they see embargo.
20.
Sorry, I don't know what's again. 230,000.
You are still doing well.
Abuja, you are doing well.
Yeah, you are still doing well.
Skida, you go green. That man from
Aina is doing well.
230,000 there.
If you're not going to get it, you're going to be outlaw.
230,000. Embargo on 20,000. Going for 230,000. Going. Please bring the president closer. 250,000.
Who again?
Skida.
Powerful.
Afere family. They are dragging this. 250,000. 270.
Akute.
Past president Benedict Ajike Akute. Come closer. No, Nigeria dey dey go.
Nigeria dey go lọ sí
Naija Akute Bopa.
Akute.
Ọmọ Naija tọkọtọkọ.
And he dey there with composure.
290,000 Afere Skida. Say my money must be complete o. Are you noticing this? 290,000 Afere Skida. Embargo on 20,000. Oh yeah, going for 290,000 naira. Going. Go president, come and ring this bell. Where is the president? Going for 290. Embargo on 20,000. If your mind touch ground, call me. Going for 290,000. Going, President. Where is the carpet and the bell? Bring them closer. You are always being. It's there. The carpet is there. Bell is there in front of the DG. Going for 290,000 naira for Afere Skidder. Akute no dey gree for this guy thing. We don't meet like thousands of parties. He no dey gree. Going for 290,000. President, are you ready? Going for 290,000 naira. But President, don't say na because na Afere guy, he wan come ring bell.
Relax.
No, Joro.
Let's check Akute.
Akute no dey slack.
You guys something get that Akute.
310,000 Akute.
Is it normal Akute I know?
Past president, Rotary of Akute, Rotarian Benedict Ajige.
Benedict. Powerful people.
310,000. Going for 310,000 naira. Going. You say 310,000. Somebody talk something.
You just said it.
Afana,
Skidder.
Show them now. Shake body. 310,000. Don't leave it for him. You know, you must take this one to the last.
Don't give for anybody.
Don't give for anybody. Now October we did. Actually, they talk about. We sit there. I said people don't agree. Nobody talks on the agree.
No, okay. Who born you?
In general, I say don't give for anybody. By June, everybody get quiet. Once they remove subsidy, everybody agree. It's all give me. 310,000. Going for 310,000 naira. Going. Somebody is calling me.
Where?
A new bidder.
A new person has arrived.
A great man.
A new day has come.
A new sheriff is in town. A new sheriff is in town. He sat down quietly, came in quietly. A big man. A Rotarian brother. Excellence. A global philanthropist. Ebo, wetin dey sup, Ebo? I don miss you.
Na greeting we wan go do.
Lift embargo with how much? 20K.
20K.
Embargo lifted. So you can add anything. 330,000 naira.
330.
Rotary Club of Maryland.
Maryland, powerful people.
Embargo on 30,000.
Wahala, somebody open now, somebody close now.
360,000.
Are they from the same club?
Where is the SAA?
I'm here.
Are you noting? Maryland is speaking now. When they are speaking, they don't play.
Maryland, open now. Close them again.
Close them again.
I hear Maryland.
Open 20, close them at 30. 20, 30.
Powerful people.
Should I stay here or I should go to Akute? But I don't say Ajike no degree. Ajike
get composure.
He stubborn die.
100% composure.
The steez is high.
As steez.
Embargo on 30,000. 360,000.
Aha.
390,000. Benedict Ajike.
Akute.
390,000.
If he is the runner.
If you don't say your mind touch you and call me. 390,000.
Go to Maryland, where open and closer.
Maryland no dey play o. When you see Maryland, you go face Akute from Neca.
But you go get it go somehow.
Embargo on 30,000. 390,000.
Oh yeah. Akute come back again.
390,000. Embargo on 30,000.
Oh now open Akute closer. Oh yeah, do something.
420,000. Rotary Club of Maryland.
Akute.
450,000. Still Maryland. This is 2 against 1 o.
Wait. You mean they still another open and close?
If you say you wan come, we go nod you. But I know say Ajike is stubborn. He no dey gree.
The guy steez.
the steeze and composition mixed with excellence. 450,000. Where is the president? Come and ring the bell. Maybe that just came midnight through and they are taking it away. 450,000.
450,000.
You won't go sit down with them.
Correct.
Going for 450,000 naira. We have 2 minutes more to round this up if the president agrees. 2 minutes more. 450,000 naira, Maryland. Akute dey, Maryland sef dey. Na Maryland dey go take pass go Akute. If you dey go do.
According to our cost price.
Akute Kuti.
According to our cost benefit analysis. According to the cost price.
450,000. Na your guy abi. Don't carry friendship enter business.
This thing suppose no get friendship.
Don't carry friendship enter business. 450,000 naira going for 450,000 naira. Going president he sit one place now carry bell for hand.
Neca for Maryland.
Rotarian Gbenga. Going for 450,000 naira.
Akute.
Going.
No, wait. Akute is drinking palm wine.
President. Murphy, you are disclosing too much. You don't have duty of secrecy. Going for 450,000 naira. Rotarian Gbenga. President, chapter president, carry the bell, just hold it. When I say ring it, you just knock am.
Akute, how far Akute?
450,000. Where is the bell?
Where is the bell?
Yes, holding both the bell and the gavel together.
Yes, once you say something, we'll just knock.
450,000 naira going. Going for 450,000 naira.
450.
Going.
Wait, hold on.
480,000.
Akute. Powerful person.
480,000. Akute.
He moved away from Lagos mainland.
He say move your enemy closer.
Yes. It's a strategic.
He came closer to his enemy. Nearby. 480,000.
Yes.
I know say Maryland, they don't shout. They don't agree.
It's a war strategy. You will know your enemy first. It's a key.
You get it.
It's a key agenda.
480,000. Going for 480,000 naira.
Let me check Maryland.
Check.
Maryland.
Check.
Wow.
Check.
510 Maryland.
510,000. What you go for Maryland? 510,000 Maryland.
510 Maryland.
My error now is if Akute can't talk, I can't say in Maryland. I can't go ring there for
I'm with them, so I'll decide.
510,000 Maryland. Going for 510,000 naira. Going.
Akute again.
Akute 540,000.
Akute power.
Akute don't agree. 540,000 naira.
540 Akute. See. Akute say, my friend. Akute say I should go back to Maryland. Let them talk.
Embargo is still on 30,000. 540,000 naira.
Say you should come up.
540,000.
570 Maryland.
We don't meet two coconut head club. Two of them. They don't agree.
Rich people with couple.
Where are we, Murphy? 570 Maryland 570. Going for 570,000 naira. Going 600,000.
Akute.
600,000.
For DG.
For the DG. Akute get sense. 600,000. Going for 600,000. Akute for my district governor. Going for 600,000 naira. Going. And it is done. Wow. So let's present.
Akute is very, very wonderful.
Past President Akute Rotarian.
Very, very consistent.
Benedict Ajike to please come on stage as the winner And the runner-ups would have to come up too. Come and take picture. They have tried. Maybe not just left it because of teaching. I know. I know your strategy. All right, and this Governor, you have a package to receive from past President Benedict Ajike. PP Ajike, please come up stage. My President, Gbenga, please come up stage. My district governor and spouse.
Benedict Ajike is one individual that has shown so much capacity.
It will be interesting to know that he's a global philanthropist. He has the heart of giving. Please come on stage. My President, where are you? Charter President, the Lagos Golden Heart. Come and do this one before we'll wrap it. The winner of the maiden edition of this auction sales in Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Heart is Rotarian past President Benedict Ajike. Murphy, let's do this together. All right, so this petition will be done by the President and it will be presented to our district governor. Thank you.
Thank you. My in-law, which I don't know is still going to be outlawed today. On behalf of my powerful club in the district 9112, I hereby present this beautiful, gorgeous auction sales to you this afternoon on the October 12th, which I believe is one in town. So thank you very much for what you have done. We appreciate you.
Thank you, my irresistible President. On behalf of all present here, we have no silver nor gold, but we have to dedicate this gift to a wonderful person, an amazing fellow, the first citizen of District 9112. I still use that solidarity in no competition order to appreciate Rotary Club of Maryland from District 9111 for coming to this wonderful location. Anthony, can you stand up for recognition, please? They are my wonderful friends and brothers. So we are presenting this gift to our DG, the amazing DG, pioneer DG of District 9112.
Well, thank you.
Sorry, just a second.
Thank you. The Rotary Club of Lagos Golden Heart, we sincerely thank you. And our benefactor, someone who to have this coveted prize today. We sincerely thank you for the honor done us. Thank you, we appreciate it.
Thank you so much. On this note, we want the President and his amiable spouse to lead the dance floor. Members can join in, well wishers. Those dollars that you brought, those notes, please don't take them back home. Come and spend it now. Nobody is going to catch you here. There's a place to spend the money. My President, you want to say a word before we declare the dance floor open? Thank you.
I just want to say a very big thanks to everyone who comes here today. I'm a little bit tired, but I want to see how many people really love me. I know you all make it here. That shows a sign of love. But now, I believe not everybody has seen me dancing. And you want to see if I even know how to dance. But I want to see if you really love me. So you need to support me when you see